Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add full reel on your Instagram story. Okay, and for example, I'm going to repost this reel to my Instagram story. So we can click on this button. Then after that, we can click on add to your story right here. Tap on add to your story and wait for a moment. Okay, and here you can repost the reel, and if you want to get the full screen, you just need to zoom in like this. You can use two fingers to zoom in. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And after that, we can click on your story right here to repost this reel to our Instagram story. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the result. So I'm going to open my story. You can tap on your story right here to check the result. Alright, and this is the reel that I have just added to my Instagram story. And if you want to watch the full reel, we can tap on watch full reel right here. And alright guys, that's how we can add full reel on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.